Alright, well. I am bored. Yeah, this is a super sexy Founders Hall White Noise Online game on Nightmare. And I got Velma here to fuck and everything. Alright, well, go on, Finch. Let's move. I hear him. Oh my fucking burger. Okay, Finch, we should definitely make Minecraft games. Like Minecraft survival games. Finch looks at me, you're gay. Look at that sexy night sky. I'm turning off my flashlight and get the... Yeah, we're also not fucking White Noise Online players, so if you hear me scream, yeah. Oh my sexy head of Jesus, oh my lord, I love it. Come your head, I wanna fucking shove my cock in your mouth. Alright, let's get dark. Alright. I hear the tape. Oh my god, he's eating you out! Alright, there's a tape in here, I hear it. Or is it just a burger? Oh. Alright, well, anyway, I do effects, I don't play like that. Alright, hey, don't go by yourself. It's too sexy and dangerous in this room. I think there's one right there. I'm just kidding, that's just a really scary movie. Oh my fuck, oi! I just almost barfed. I'm gonna have to change my pantyhose after this. Oh god. I actually shit. Oh my god, once again, I do effects, I don't play White Noise Online. I'm also fucking 14 years old, don't forget that. I'm 14 years old and a complete pussy, and I feel like my stomach just dropped about 12 feet. Calm down, okay, Cinch? Yeah. I also don't... Alright, Cinch, as long as that motherfucker don't come for me again. I'm good. Where? Oh! Fucking drop the load. Did you know? Okay, fun fact with truth. Alright, guys. Did you know every time you blow a load after you masturbate, you're wasting 5 million sperm? Yep, 5 million children going down the drain. Ah, Cinch! Cinch! Come back! No! Fun fact with truth. Big Jesus head scared me. Alright, Cinch, we're gonna move this way. Do you hear a scary breathing noise as well, or is that just me? Alright, just make... Face cam of fucking... Face cam of me shitting myself! Alright, we are now going to enter this perfectly awesome building. 20 fucking minutes? Fuck, dude. Look at that sexy torture machine. That's why I fuck people. And me. Oh my god, I hear a fucking pig. Get away from me, pig. I want your beef in my mouth. I could be the next PewDiePie. 70 million mixed subs on YouTube and porn and... Alright. We're going to enter this dark and ominous room. Cinch, flashlights off. Ah! I'm going this way. Fuck that room. Oh my god. Let's play Amnesia one day, Singe. Oh my green. He fucking took a shit and tried to fucking call it McDaddy pants. Singe, where are you? Tell me I'm not by myself. Ah! Fuck, dude, I'm gonna get the cops called on me. Fuck, people in my house and I think people in my neighborhood are gonna be like, fuck, now they call the cops, dude. He's getting fucking kidnapped in his house. Dude, Singe. Ice cream, so loud. You're not the one getting the shit scared out of you. You found a tape? Where is it? Is it really? 2 tapes down. 6 tapes to go. I had to count on my fingers for a second. Alright, let's move out. If I see that scary thing, I swear to fucking God, I will shit myself. I'm turning my flashlight off. Is your light still on? I know that's not one. My light's flickering. I'll turn it off. Conserve energy. Conserve some energy before I shit my pants. Imagine me trying to play Slender. But yeah, isn't this just like Slender? Just Xbox? There's a tape. There's 3 of 8 guys. Only 5 more to go. So you guys should hear me scream about 90 more times. Which is a scary violation. Singe, where are you? I don't know, honestly guys, I'm just getting really scared. Oh my! Yeah, you're not as scary that time, you fuck. You're gonna kill me. And that time it wasn't as bad, I kinda saw them coming in that one. Oh my god, I'm on my own. Singe is dead. So scared. I'm so scared. Where? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Singe! I don't see you! Oh yeah, I see you and I see he's behind you. He's back there. The tape! I'm coming up to the tape. There's the tape. I'm worried. How do you gravitate? Oh, it's A.
You won't die. Oh, but I will.
Oh, hey, Cinch. I'm just gonna follow you. You know where everything is. Dude, I'm gonna have no voice tomorrow because I've been screaming so much when playing White Noise Online during the fucking day, too. Cinch, it's only been 10 minutes and we've already gotten 4.
Your sister plays basketball?
My sister plays basketball? No, she used to. Why? Oh, no. My throat hurts so bad now. I'm gonna have to drink some water in a minute. So I don't fucking have no voice tomorrow so I can talk.
I bet she's better.
She's not good. Wait, what?
Basketball.
Wait, what?
I bet she's better than your basketball.
Oh, yeah, there you are, huh, you little fucking cunt? Fucking no! Oh, I have no voice now. Ow. Alright, Sins, let's see how good me and you can stick together on this run through here. We stand there for like a year. We start to walk. Yeah, not really, actually. We stayed together pretty well. That's the first scream. That's the second scream. Are you ready? I'm pretty... Oh, yeah, we parted ways right there. Let's see, where else do I scream? I screamed a lot during this, actually, right there. Where else did I scream? I screamed right there. Yeah. We found another recorder. Hey, I'm gonna invite a friend to the party, right? And he's really good with commentary. Like, this kid's Teak. Don't stress. He'll play White Noise if he has. Alright, and then I fucking shit my pants right there. I found my first recorder ever. Let's see, where else do I shit my pants? I shit my pants a lot, and then I shit my pants again right there, and I shit my pants the worst right when I died because he just stared me in the eyes, and I was like, Alright, well, anyway, I'm gonna go to my kitchen really quick. So, I'm gonna walk... this is the end of the video, and I'm walking through my kitchen.